Hi, I'm Jackie Teal, President of Long & Foster Real Estate. Welcome to the 2024 Gold Team Crab Feast.
If you are a Gold Team member and you have not come to the Crab Feast, you're missing out on a wonderful moment every summer, in the height of summer, in the hot, sweaty time of summer, to be together, to commune, to eat great crabs, drink great drinks, listen to a fun band. The reason we are the Gold Team is to support and lift each other up, and this is a great way to do it.
From Williamsburg, Virginia. I'm thrilled to be here and hoping to see everybody.
And I'm Valerie, and I am from the Vienna Tyson's office, and I am so excited to be here and so excited to meet so many new faces and see a lot of old ones.
Hey guys, Patrick Bain here at the Gold Team Crab Feast event. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for coming and making it a great day. We've had great weather, a lot of great music and good time and fellowship. Thank you all for coming.